Welcome to Foxfields Farm near Ayton, Ontario, home of a number of exciting equine endeavors. Let's go see what they've got from System Equine. This is the System Equine Venetian stall series, part of our designer swing collection. It's a very European-inspired stall front with a very open concept feel. This particular stall front features top and bottom flanges. Other options would include having only a top flange, only a bottom flange, or no flanges at all. The feed opening option is wonderful when you have a large number of horses come feed time and you don't want to be opening every single door to feed each horse. This is System Equine's optional V-insert add-on, which is great because you can move it from stall to stall depending on where it's needed. Standard on all our designer swing collection stall fronts is the plunger latch. I love the plunger latch because it's easy to open and just as easy to shut. Also part of our designer swing collection stall front is the night latch. The night latch is great for when you want to add a little bit of extra security when you might not be around. Let me show you how it works. Another standard feature of our designer swing collection stall fronts is the adjustable hinges, which allow you to make any micro adjustments if needed to the door. This barn features two different types of partitions, grilled and solid. Grilled is great for when you want the horses to be able to interact with each other, and solid is great when you don't. This is our designer solid partition. It's used in this particular barn to separate a regular stall from a foaling stall on the other side. This barn features a very nice, very minimalist wash stall system. The flooring is our eye tiles, which are great because they are non-slip when wet and they provide great cushion. Thank you for checking out all the System Equine products at Foxfields Farm with me. See you next time.